Alright, so I'll be going over how I made directional camera tilt with the help of ChatGPT. Yeah. So let's have an example right now. I walk forwards, turn left, tilts left, stop moving, tilt right, tilts right. So I did this using DotProducts and the player direction and Lerping. So I get the tilt angle, alpha, previous position, which is important, which automatically resets after every frame because it's calculating the distance, and if it's not moving then it should return 0. Do this with this equation down here. And calculating the move direction is the current position minus the previous position. So as we know, this is all in a loop, so if previous position is 0 and the current position is the new position that generates after every frame, it calculates a new direction as a different value instead of just returning one position, which was the previous position when the game starts at the top here. So yeah, that explains that. And then at the start, the ending tilt is 0. So all of this is in an if statement. If the move direction dot magnitude is greater than 0.01, which is automatically excuse me, which is going to be higher than 0 if the player is moving, it will use the unit to get the direction of the of the vector 3. So calculates that direction. Yeah. And then the right vector is the right vector of the camera. So a right vector is the vector to the right of the camera, and then if it's negative, it's the vector to the left of the camera. So that's how you calculate which side the camera is. So it uses the right vector of the camera and the move direction to calculate a dot product between 1 and 0. No, yeah, 1 and 0. But ultimately, this returns a value from -1 and 1, which is left or right. And with the ending tilt, I times that number by the tilt angle, which for this instance is 5. And then to apply the tilt, I make the tilt equal tilt plus whatever this is, which is the lerp, like manual lerping, instead of using the lerp function. So ending tilt is the new tilt, minus this, times alpha, and then down here is applying the camera tilt. So I think that's it. Thank you, and goodbye.